Welcome back to the channel. So in this video you're going to see the usage of break, continue and pass statements in Python. So first we'll take the break statement. Suppose if you initialize I is equals to 1, this is initialize condition, and we are using the while loop here. While I is less than or equal to 10, this is as a stop condition. When I equal to 10, print I means, so it is printing from 1 to 10. So then after this we are making one statement. If I is equals to 5, assignment operator. So if this is the condition, then we'll call a break statement. Means it is going to print from 1 to 10, but because of this break statement it is breaking at 5. So after 5 the loop will come out. So then this I is equal to I plus 1, that is fine. So output is, instead of 1 to 10 we will break at 1 2 3 4 5. When it is 5 it will break and come out of the loop. That is the result. Example 2, if you take the string s equal to input, enter a string for letter in s. So if I take any one string in the letter in s, print that letter. If letter is a or letter is I, break, print out for the loop. So we are entering the string. You can take any string. So I am taking here helit. Next, in this, look at this H E A. So here letter is A. So if the letter is A, it is going to break. So that's why the output is H E A is printing. So if I take this helicop, here I also we have written. So if it is I, look at this. So Eli is printed. Okay. So after that it is coming out of the loop. So that is a break statement. Let's see the continue and pass. Continue. So the continue statement is I is equals to 0 is the initialization, and it is going to stop at 10, and I is equals to I plus 1. So 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 10. But if I is equals to 5 we are making, and we are making a continuous statement here, so it is going to iterate from the next value of this 5. Means it is starting from I plus 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, then 2, 3, 4, but 5 is missing here. So if it is 5, continue statement is acting like, so skipping the 5, and after 5 it is taking the next value. 5 plus 1 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So why 11? So totally count it should be 10, because 1 is missing, that's why it is now the last one is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So that's what the continue. If you take the string for letter in Python, so if letter is equals to n, sorry, if the letter is equals to h, we'll take the continue. Continue means, so here it is h is there. So print the letter. So what is going to print if it is continue? So it is taking p y t. Then at h it is missing. So it is going to print after this h. So we should skip this h and we should write TON. So T is already there. ON we should write. So in the continue statement, if it is 5, here you should skip the 5. If it is H, you should skip that and you should continue the next letters in the string, next digits in the this integer part. Then the pass statement. Pass statement is just the no operation statement and indicator. Suppose for letter in Python it's the same. If letter is H, we are using the pass. So print, this is a pass block, print a letter. So what is the output for this? Letter P is printed, letter Y is printed, T is printed, H. After T, look at the letter is H. The letter H, look at this, letter T. After T, if the letter is H, it should pass. So letter T, after the letter T, so we are writing pass, print, this is a pass block. So that is what we are writing. Then after that, letter H, letter O and letter N. So everything is printing, but because of this pass statement and this H after T, when the H is hitting, so after T we will write this is a pass block, then after that we will write H. So if it is a break statement, after H we will not write anything. If it is a continuous statement, we will skip H and we will write it. If the pass statement, we will write all the things, but here before H we will write this is a pass block. Okay. So this is the difference between break, continue and past statements in Python language. Thank you. We'll see in the next video about the next update. Stay tuned to this channel for the latest videos. Click on the bell icon.